Hi class, my name is Tanya and welcome to my presentation on the how, who, and whys for marketing on Tumblr. The first question to ask is why market on Tumblr? For a business or individual who's trying to get their brand or business out into the world, who wouldn't want to add another social media blogger site to their list? It gives more exposure and online activity to your website. I am going to show you an example of how easy it is to divert the user to your website using Tumblr as your first platform of social networking.
Okay, in this video we're just going to show you how you can easily use Tumblr to promote a website. So this is for one of the sites I have, Spanish Listening, and we have some videos of different Spanish speakers. And one thing that you can do with Tumblr is you just post a little blog post that kind of previews and explains what the content is, and then you can have a link down here on the bottom that will send people to the site. So for example,
as you saw from the clip, how you capture the user's attention is usually with a visual. They used a video and a small caption or microblog. And if the user is still interested, this will lead them to your website. Tumblr can also be used to divert the user to a YouTube video, a Facebook page, or even to your Twitter page. The second question we are asking is, who is Tumblr reaching? According to the Pew Research Center dated August 17, 2015 survey, it shows the demographics of Tumblr among internet users and who the percentage is that are actually using Tumblr. 10% were men, 11% were women, and in the age category, the highest percentage was with ages 18 through 29 at 20%. In the income category, it showed that the highest percentage of 16% was with the income bracket less than $30,000 a year. Knowing your audience or user can help know what type of visuals to post to entice them. The visuals can be anything from a video clip to a picture, an image, and also the tiny microblog or caption that is to be said for this. The next thing that's very important is to have a specific niche. That's because it usually is the reason that the user is following that specific blog. The user is focusing on one topic that they are interested in, and that niche or topic would be what you are offering or what product you are trying to sell. Once they see what the niche is, then looking at your blog and seeing what your visual is and what your visual is about can lead them to your website. Next, I want to show you a short video on how to lead the user to your website using Tumblr.
So for example, if I want to create a new post, I just go up here, and of course I can do text or photo or quote. I can just put the link. There's lots I can do. We're going to kind of do everything, or a little bit of everything here. So I'm going to click video, and it's going to ask me where I want the video. Now you could put a YouTube clip, but if you put a YouTube clip or a video clip like Vimeo, it's just going to send them to that place. So you don't really want to do that. You want to keep them here and send them to your site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I wanted to do number 50.
Buenas, soy Cristina, soy española. La pregunta es, ¿te preocupas por el dinero?
Okay, yes, that's the one about are you worried about money. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And then, usually you don't even have to write stuff. So if I just actually go to the web page, I can actually just steal a lot of the metadata or the information. So here it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. So this is the web page I want to send people to. And notice if they come to this web page, then they have the quiz, they have the vocabulary, they have the full content. So I'm going to pull up text pad, and I'll put in the question. That's a good way to maybe start the video. And then I have a clip here, and I'm just going to go ahead and steal this. This is the same text, the kind of promo site, but you could type in your own. And then I'm going to put that there, and then I get some extra gibberish here that I don't need. I'm going to take that away. So, and then I'm going to take the URL, and I'm going to pop that baby right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Now, you want to make sure that you have this in a text format, or else it might carry over the formatting to their editor. Then you just put it in here in the captions box, and they might put an extra break. And I'm going to go ahead and close that up a bit, kind of tighten it up. So it just took me a second. It's just taking a second to put this on Tumblr, and now I'm going to say Tumblr can do if they want to do extra stuff with it. And I think that is it. I think if I go HTML, I don't go HTML. No. Then I can add some tags, like I'm going to do learn Spanish, and maybe this is an easy one, so I'll put beginner Spanish. Type. Just beginner Spanish. So, let me go ahead here. This won't begin right, did I? Beginner Spanish. Okay, so then I've got that there, and we should be ready to go. So then I just have to hit publish. And it might take a while because it's going to be processing the video and you won't see it right away. But then you have, automatically now you have a link. So the video will actually run on the site and people can see what it's about, and then they can read the little promo, and then if they click on the link, they'll go to the site. So let's see what our page looks like. So here's the previous post. This post hasn't processed yet. But we have a little thing about our site. We have our logo here. And we have the video, and if the person...
So as the video showed you, it really is simple to post to Tumblr videos, get your blog in there, and divert the user to your website. The most important part of posting on Tumblr is to use and take advantage of the hashtags, because that's how users find your blog on Tumblr. Anything that you're interested in the search bar will direct you to the hashtags. So if you have a search in there that has a hashtag word, that's what will show up in your feed. So hashtagging on Tumblr is very important. So that's the conclusion on the who, what, and why to Tumblr. I hope it'll help you take advantage of the outlet and reach users to market your brand. Here is my reference, and the YouTube video that I used was not able to be put on as a link in my references because it just kept showing up as the video. So if any of you are interested, I can give you the link to the YouTube video that I used as a reference. And I'm open to any questions. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation. Thanks, and have a great day.